This is 7-inch in-vehicle rugged tablet with a HD camera and AI solution for fleet management GPS tracking use, and it is applicable for both in-vehicle and out-vehicle conditions. It is complied with IP67 waterproof and dust-proof, anti-vibration, and shock standard by US MILSTD 810G. Rugged tablet with USB port also comes with 4x8 HD input, GPIO, RS232, USB, ACC, power, etc. It can connect to 4 different HD cameras to improve AI driving safety and do real-time video recording. Rugged tablet with cellular has Wi-Fi function for wireless communication, which makes the network connection faster. Telematics solution simpler and cost-effective. Efficient and low-cost fleet management solutions are increasingly recognized by the majority of companies. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4G, NFC and other wireless communication functions, its sturdy appearance can work stably in harsh environments. Vehicle tablet mount can be installed through the screws to make the tablet tightly and easily installed on the vehicle.